Alright, so we got an interesting one here today. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. We got called to auger a sewer as a routine maintenance. Now, we've never been here before. Apparently there was a last plumber that was doing this. But what the interesting part is notice the caulking around the toilet. That's a little suspicious. And if you look under here, the toilet's not actually fastened to the flange, which makes me believe that maybe the flange is broken and that's why they did this. So you can see both sides are like this. So I'll have to pull the toilet off because I have to auger through the toilet anyways, because there's no clean out because the building is very old. So I'll pull the toilet off and I'll take a look at that toilet flange, because that's what I'm thinking is going on here. And this is not how you fix a toilet, for the record, either. So I've got it cleaned up here, and it's a nice brass flange, and the ears on it are not broken at all. So I'm not sure if this was incompetence or just laziness on why they did this. But anyways, I'll do what I was here to do. Fast forward this quick here. Now I only had to auger out, I was roughly 20 to 25 feet from the city main. They do have a small root intrusion. So they do this yearly, apparently. And you can see that I've got my root cutter on the end there. And I did pull back a small amount of roots. I could kind of feel it when I got there, and I worked the area a bit. Stuck the camera in afterwards. It looks like it's pretty good for another season anyways. It'll have to be repaired someday, but not today. So some guys will say they like to put the wax horn on the bottom of the toilet. Really doesn't matter to me. It's up to you. I like to put it on the ground, or on the flange, sorry, and then set my toilet over top. I just find it easier, but it's up to you. Some guys will really make a stink about that, but I really don't care. So I did find some toilet bolts here too. They were sitting off in the corner, so I think someone was just lazy and just caulked the thing down. I'm not sure why, but they did. So I got these over top. If you're wondering why I didn't clean the toilet that much, if you saw where I was, it kind of fits the area. So I'll get the supply turned back onto the toilet and give it a few flushes, just to make sure everything's sealed and set properly. And I'll get the shut off on here, we'll fill it up, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.